notice you're leaving. Will you be gone for a long time?
Time is fleeting, Imogen. Moments are eternal.
Why does it have to be you?
There's something I've been searching for, and I may have finally found it, but it's very far from here. Always remember the things I've taught you, Imogen, no matter what the future brings. You are going to burn very bright, my little star. I know goodbyes are hard. Let me sing our lullaby. Ponder, child, where is your home? You know the way. Follow the stone. Beneath golden dunes lie silver bones. Among the stars, you're not alone.
Can you hear me?
She can. She's lost. So distant. She feels us. And we feel her in return.
Who are you?
I'm just like you.
Another navigator?
Yes. I am just like you. Karen needs us both to save her. Go to her.
Hyperspace coordinates locked in. Hyperspace complete. We have arrived at Trinity. Intel, we may have a problem. Hyperspace navigation is compromised. I am not alone. There are others, be advised.
I'm reading you, Fleet Command. Eyes are open.
Group 4, Intel trying to connect to gate systems, but they are locked down. Whoever we are fighting, they can deny us gate access.
Position noted. Inbound. Give me a zone.
We are deep within the anomaly. Hostile territory. Enemy force levels and position unknown. We must use this gate to jump onwards to Naraka, where we can repair the cores. Capturing these 3 data spires will give us control of the gate systems. Lack of data on enemy forces and position makes caution a priority. A nearby tunnel entry point is located here. Use the tunnel to approach the spire undetected.
Passive scan data coming in. There are multiple small power generators out there. Stationary. Can't resolve further.
A location of this size? You can bet they're out there.
Group 3, reinforced.
Engineering here. Production base system update done. Check your board.
Receiving.
Railgun corvettes are now available for research. They're designed to inflict damage on capital ships at long range.
Send message. Send. Received. Clearing copy.
Group 3 needs support.
Resource operations underway.
Research complete.
Receiving. Ready. Copy that.
Group 2 taking losses.
Sustaining critical damage.
Be advised, turret scanners are highly sensitive and will detect bombers as soon as they fire.
Upgrade available. We can upgrade systems to allow temporary boost to the mothership's rate of fire.
Send.
Maneuver and protect. We're with you, Lead.
Assault is inbound. Receiving.
On anything that ain't us.
Mothership upgrade confirmed.
Upgrade complete.
Ready to copy.
Receiving. Go for bomber.
Tunnels will mask our strike craft's approach.
Coming around on your course.
And just coming around. Course set. US active scan. Copy on SO. On
Railgun corvette production complete.
Copy on SO. Please adjust the positional indicator.
receiving. Entering the progenitor structure.
Confirmed. Showing reduced sensor profile on you now. Attention fleet. The enemy is fielding a new class of corvette. Scans indicate they are proficient at engaging frigate and capital-class vessels.
Railgun corvette complete.
Ops, control lead. Operation. Exiting the tunnel. Be ready to engage. Confirmed. Understood.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Ready to copy. Monitor for incoming. Helm, evade is needed.
Okay.
Sensor alert. Enemy turret.
Ready evasive.
Target turret.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Bring us around.
Send message. We won't last much longer. Enemy corvette. Engaging. React. Corvette target set. Maintain range.
Railgun corvette production complete.
Watch the debris.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Brace for evasive. Corvette is off the board.
Fire! Fuel cell! Group 3 is in trouble.
Corvette destroyed.
Understood.
Destroyed. We copy.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Direct hit. Corvette hit.
Priority alert. High strike craft losses being reported. Interceptor production. Group 3 is in trouble.
Mothership.
Corvette copies. Received.
Attention. Channel open. Stand by.
Receiving. Ready. Get us in there.
Group 3 needs support.
Moving. Send. Course set. Assault frigate moving. All stations, strap in. We see it. Helm, get us in range.
mission?
Tracking turret in range.
Advance ships to the 3 data spires to capture them.
Ready. That got him. Helm, watch incoming and make it tight. Don't give them time to compensate. Ops controller, site looks good. Collection is underway. Send message. Course laid. All turrets to ready. Go for Corvette. Target position noted. Fire mission set. Confirm fire mission. Contact. Enemy turret. Attend. Set. Direct hit. Target marked. We're inbound. Engaging Corvette. Corvette on board. Copy move. Send message.
There. Relocate.
Receiving. Target set. Spire captured.
Accessing gate database now. I'm in.
In position. Corvette ready. Ready on thrusters. Helm, you are cleared for evasive. Move complete. Bomber on station.
Second data spire captured.
I have access to the gate and its transit comms. Bad news. An enemy force is inbound.
Roger that, Command. All ships, prepare for incoming.
Channel open. Stand by.
Engineering here. Production base system update available. We're ready for more.
Ion frigate research now available. Be advised, they are designed to engage capital ships at close range.
Ready.
These can't be the progenitors, but whoever they are, they carry the symbol of Sejuk, and they seem to know more about the gates than we do. We need answers. Quickly.
Go for recon. Understood. Moving now.
Railgun Corvette ready. Launching.
Course laid. Scopes clear. Receiving. Setting for new position. EOS to primary. Go for assault. Any surprises? Channel open. Ready.
Research complete.
Confirm on your last. Send message. Noted. We are on location. Please advise. Copied your last. Very cautious for now.
All 3 data spires captured. Objective complete. We now control the gate.
Attention. Operations.
Enemy frigates detected. This is an opportunity. We must capture an enemy vessel and interrogate its crew for additional intel. Use a resource controller to capture an enemy frigate. Ignorance is fatal in combat. We have to gather intelligence on the enemy.
Mothership realignment underway. Stations adjust.
Ion frigate is ready.
Acknowledged. Corvette is in position. Lead craft, be advised. Corvette on approach.
Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
Send transmission. Wow. Nice ship. Can we keep it?
Send message.
Ion frigate is ready. Railgun corvette production complete.
With pleasure. Corvette ready.
Group 3 reinforced. Group 3 reinforced. Group 1 reinforced. Group 2 reinforced.
Attention all crew. Secure for possible evasive action.
Ion frigate is ready.
Receiving. Moving on target. Corvette destroyed. Controller here. Go ahead. Enemy Corvette. We have capture orders. Spin up collectors, but keep an eye on one. Targeting alert. Engaging enemy frigate.
Ion frigate is ready.
Stand by for ship disassembly and crew processing.
Fleet, interceptor lead, in position and standing by. Ready, docking clamps engaged. We got them.
Enemy frigate captured. Objective complete.
Systems link established. Running decryption on all data. Boarding teams escorting the crew to interrogation. Vector set.
The captured frigate's orders have been decrypted. It was being directed to link up with an inbound task force. We can get the jump on them. Combat alert. Prepare to ambush arriving enemy force.
Support frigate is now ready.
Fleet, this is Bomber Lead. In position. Ops, we are in position. Collection underway.
Ion frigate is ready.
Command channel open. Quantum waveform detected from the gate. Trinity is active.
Receiving.
From Homeworld. To my voice, you're intruding on her domain.
We only entered this region of space because of the attacks on our world.
Hyperspace is her domain. Hers alone. You will stand down
Who is she?
and prepare to
Who are you?
receive her wisdom.
Name yourselves.
We are her will incarnate.
Ready. Send.
All ships, engage these incarnate and destroy their carrier group. Anti-strike craft turrets now available for research. Deploy around the spires for additional defense.
Send transmission. Destination confirmed.
Railgun corvette complete.
Group 4 reinforced.
Warning. A new class of enemy frigate has entered the AO. Energy readings suggest an ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. Approach with caution.
Gunner, you set for combat. Target confirmed.
Anti-strike craft turret construction template now available.
Locked in. Alert! Hostile carrier on the board. Monitor for launch.
frigate is now ready.
Reporting critical damage. Go for Ion. Ops. Collector surrounded. Materials uptake incoming.
Caution, resource controller is under fire. Railgun corvette production complete.
Intercept course punched. Fleet reporting critical damage to Corbett.
Enemy carrier destroyed. Eliminate all remaining enemy forces to ensure safe gate transit.
Alert, strike craft losses mounting.
Fleet, Corbett. Hit over.
The reactor is over.
At launch, anti-strike craft turrets are mobile and inactive. Deploy them on terrain to enable firing.
Send message. Go ahead, bring it down.
Tracking hostile frigate. They're firing.
Priority alert, we are losing strike craft.
Tracking strike craft in range. All stations set for CQB. Send message. Enemy frigate contact. Close the range.
Ion frigate is ready. Group 3 is in trouble.
Cycle target. Enemy strike craft coming in. Auto track all targets. Reroute power to weapons.
Group 3, priority alert, strike craft suffering heavy losses.
Frigate destroyed.
Alert, strike craft taking losses.
Generation perfect. Watch the black
Caution, resource controller hull integrity at 75%. Ion frigate is ready.
craft. Give me zone coverage.
Group 1 reinforced.
Go for run. Attack vector set.
Watch Group 2, they're taking losses.
Target eliminated. Frigate down.
Priority alert, high strike craft losses being reported.
Frigate destroyed.
Ion frigate is ready. Turret production complete.
Go ahead, bring it down.
Send. Ready evasive and maintain lock.
Group 2 taking losses.
Interceptor on deck.
Critical damage.
Get out of here!
Ion copies. Send message. Charge to full. Ready evasive while in cooldown.
The reactor is in overload. Proximity offer.
Hostile frigate destroyed.
Incarnate carrier group destroyed. Objective complete.
We have it.
Objectives complete. We're clear. Set course for the gate.
Stand by for gate commitment on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.